In this video, I'll tell you what Bitcoin crypto mining is, or what is crypto mining, and in a simpler way than the Google result. But before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new, because I actually upload over 30 of these videos every single day with the hottest cryptocurrency news and hottest cryptocurrency. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. What is crypto mining? Well, Reuters definition: crypto miners are increasingly powerful, specially designed computer equipment or rigs to verify visual coin transactions in a process which produces newly minted cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. There's an explanation by an advanced video, but I have a simple one. It's just the mathematical equations or verifications to create new cryptocurrencies or new pieces of a particular token. When you want to mine Bitcoin, you have a rig, a cool computer with cool specs that just gets more of it. That's all it is. See you in this video. Bye.